Tanong ko kung open na. Random thought, but I really love Vietnam. I've been there for 4 times now. 3 times Ho Chi Minh City, and once Hoi An and Da Nang, and I still miss it. I think it's mostly the food. Bun Ba Wai, my favorite, and their coffee. Sobrang solid. So today's ride is kind of because of that. I've been thinking about Vietnamese food, and we were like, okay, sige, bike tayo papunta dun sa maliit na Vietnamese restaurant sa may festival. The place is actually owned by a Vietnamese, and she prepares the food as well, so it feels a bit more legit. It's obviously not Vietnam, but it just kind of brings you back a little. This ride is basically fueled by missing Vietnamese food early in the morning. Let's go. What is up, everyone? Welcome to another episode of San Gabriel. It was a peaceful Sunday morning and niyaya ako magbike si Papa J. Morning! Good morning! Medyo matagal na din siyang hindi nakakapag-bike, kaya we went around Daang Hari and Daang Reyna, our usual bike routes na malapit sa amin. Gusto muna naming umikot before pumunta doon sa sinasabi kong Vietnamese restaurant sa may tapat ng Festival Mall. You could say na we took the scenic route papunta doon. Sobrang lapit lang kasi ng PhilInvest sa amin. Sa mga hindi taga-South at hindi familiar, ito yung Daang Hari. Sobrang sarap mag-bike dito during Sundays. Pag weekdays, not so much. Kasi ang daming sasakyan dito pag weekdays. Kaya during weekends, madami kaming nakakasabay na nagbabike dito. Either papunta sa Daang Reyna, or Vermosa, or even farther like Tagaytay. Ito naman yung underpass from Evia going to Daang Reyna. Mas okay dumaan dito kaysa tumawid ko dun sa taas na kasama yung mga sasakyan. May konting effort lang sa pag-ahon. Water break muna kami since malamig ngayon at ang dry ng hangin, kaya ang dali ding makatuyo ng lalamunan. Also, pahinga ng onti dito and appreciate yung magandang view na to. Pabalik na kami papuntang Philinvest. And ito ang mas safer na route para sa mga nakabike. Pag diniretso mo kasi yung daang Reyna, you'll end up sa madaming sasakyan kung saan nagmamerge yung galing sa MCX papunta sa Evia. Mabibilis mga sasakyan doon. And if you're not used to it, medyo delikado. And on this route, you'll have a mini trail adventure din.
Nasanay ako dun sa isang bike ko na magaan pag ahon. Ang bigat nito. 11 speed yun eh.
Sa part lang na to, medyo kailangan ng doble ingat. Since yung sinabi ko kanina na nagme-merge na sasakyan, dito naman sila papunta. Pero usually they will slow down for cyclists. Pero mag-ingat pa din and make sure na visible ka and do hand signals. And here we are. We have arrived at our breakfast spot dito sa Pho 90s.
Tanong ko kung open na. May kumakain? Kala ko staff. Sarado naman yung kabila pa eh. Yan ka. Saan tayo? Para kita. Okay.
Ito yung Pho 90s dito sa tabi lang ng Festival Mall. Sa may Civic Drive to be exact. What they had on the menu were the classics like pho, banh mi, spring rolls, the usual. Nothing fancy, just the usual food na makikita mo sa kalye ng Vietnam. The shop isn't that big, which makes me more excited to try it. At kahit malamig, I ordered their iced coffee. We also ordered pho for breakfast. Nag-share na kami para hindi ganun kabigat sa tiyan pagbadyak namin pauwi. As the Vietnamese say it, cảm ơn. That was a good one. But like every ride we had, it isn't just complete without a cup of coffee na may tambay at kwentuhan na din. So we pedaled on our way to this coffee truck, which is actually owned by our neighbor. Nandun sila sa PhilInvest every weekend. Although sa araw na to na in-upload ko yung video, nag-announce yung PhilInvest na isasara muna nila yung strip na to. Sana mabalik na as soon as possible because we need more open spaces like this at hindi puro malls ang tinatayo. Tara, kape tayo.
Ayun na yun. Ano? Dalawang ganun na?
Dalawang
Yes.
coffee.
Akala namin sarado pa. Kasi alam ko afternoon nag-open. May morning pala.
Morning.
Hanggang 10 lang kami actually.
Okay. Tapos afternoon na ulit.
And that's it for today's ride. I hope you enjoyed our little trip to quote-unquote Vietnam. Saan naman tayo punta sa next episode?
Tatlo na to.
Oh.
Mura.
Okay, sa mag-Starbucks sa'yo, magkano sa Starbucks?
Kaya nga eh. Hindi, tsaka sa dami ng kapihan ngayon, marami ng mas masarap. Na reasonable ang presyo.
Once again, thank you for hanging out with your boy. And if you could, like the video, share it to your friends, comment something, and subscribe to the channel. Peace!